the PC from the future. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. It's just the beginning of 2023 and PC brands are like killing it with the tech guys. Like so much of innovation, especially at CES 2023, and today also we have something very exclusive from MSI. It's like one of a kind PC guys, literally PC from the future, because once you see the specs over here or maybe the kind of innovative tech I'll show you in this video, right, it's gonna blow your mind. And the main highlight I'll be talking about is the case. Like literally you might be like, what's so special about this case? Well, this is MSI's all new Meg series Prospect 700R, and it literally has like a large touchscreen display on the front panel, 4.3 inches IPS display, and can show a lot of information about your PC. Not only that, you can completely customize it. You can show your images or maybe like GIF files, videos, and a lot of other things. And I'm like super excited to talk about this thing. Now, keeping that aside, there's one more thing I wanted to talk about. So it's 2023, right? A lot of people might be looking to buy like a brand new PC, or maybe you're like building your first PC. So I thought this information can actually be very helpful for all the buyers out there. Thing is now, MSI on their Indian website is actually having like a special promotional offer going on, where if you buy MSI components or like buy a brand new PC from MSI, they're offering almost up to like 20,000 rupees of Paytm voucher. Like 20,000 rupees is no joke guys. It's almost like you're getting a CPU or a motherboard like completely free of cost. So I thought, chalo, I'll have to tell you, it can help a lot of people. So very easy process to claim it guys. It's actually available on MSI's website only, and the campaign name is powered by MSI. To participate in this, all you need to do is simply buy like MSI products guys. They're actually offering two options. You can either go for like a single GPU offer or combo deals also. Basically buy anything, any MSI components from anywhere in India, and all you need to do is once you buy them, right, you just need to come back to this website, go to that promotional offer page and create an account on the website. If you already have like an account, simply log in with your details, and after do that, come to this promotional campaign page, and then you need to like register the product that you purchase. Simply upload the bill that the seller gives you or even from the store, and also register with the serial number, and that is it guys. Now all you need to do is like wait for like 1 or 2 weeks, 7 to 14 days, and this between you'll get like an approval mail from MSI along with your Paytm voucher digital code, and that is it. This is how you redeem the offer. All the links for this promotional activity and campaign will be available in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Now coming back to today's video guys, as I've told you, MSI India has sent us a very exclusive one of a kind PC, and today we'll be checking out that in this video. So this particular PC was like made in collaboration with Vishal Peripherals. So it came straight from Vishal Computech Hyderabad guys, and as I've told you, it features their MSI's all new Prospect 700R case and also like top of the line components on board. So we'll be talking about all of this in this video, what sort of components they've used, and also the performance, and also the pricing details also I'll mention at a later part. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly check out the PC. Ta-da! Our brand new exclusive MSI PC is over here guys, and as you can see, this is the case I was talking about. They're all new Meg series Prospect 700R, and there you go, we even have a picture of the case, and look at this. This is that LCD screen I was talking about, full touchscreen experience. You can do a lot over here. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this particular case is right now only available with Vishal Computech or Vishal Peripherals. Make sure to check out their website. And keeping that aside, now let's get started with the unboxing. Oh boy, no kidding, the PC is like very heavy guys. I had to struggle quite a bit over there, and there you go, comes very nicely packed over here. And boys, our very first look at this exclusive case from MSI. Oh wow, this is actually quite big in size, and holy smokes, look at this, completely next level design, right? What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the PC and then talk about all of its design elements and highlights. The PC we'll be checking out today is an all MSI system, and initially I was not sure about the specs or configuration they went ahead with, but I had a sneak peek on the inside and got to know that this is like an all AMD system built on AMD's recent Ryzen 7000 series platform and packs like really powerful specs on board. Anyways guys, if you talk about the looks, it's such a beautiful looking PC. I mean, look at the whole case over here. I've told you, right, this is MSI's all new Prospect 700R and looks absolutely phenomenal from our initial impressions. Let me just power it on and show you. Holy mother of tech, are you people looking at this? That is one heck of a PC. I mean, the RGB lighting over here is awesome. And the main highlight over here is that display, guys. 4.3-inch IPS LCD display on the front panel and completely takes the PC to a next level. We'll definitely have a closer look at that and talk about that in a moment. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the specs of this PC, right? So it's an all AMD system powered by MSI, and you're getting AMD's newest Ryzen 7 7700X CPU on board, which is like an 8-core 16 thread, and it's like a perfect balance, either it be for creative sort of applications or even for your gaming. And for the motherboard, we are having MSI's X670P Pro Wi-Fi Edition motherboard that supports DDR5 RAM. And talking about the GPU, this one is also from AMD only. We're using their Radeon 6750 XT series from MSI, the Gaming X Trio Edition, and remaining most of the components are from MSI. If you talk about the cooler, we're using MSI's Mag Core Liquid S360mm AIO cooler. The power supply is also from MSI 850 watt gold rated GF Edition series. And coming to the RAM, this one is from Kingston. It's their Fury Edition 16GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 4800 MHz. Storage is from WD Black. We're using a 1TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. So that's it. These are all the main specs and highlights of the PC. And having a closer look at the display, here's how it looks like. I've told you, right, it's a 4.3-inch IPS LCD display. There's a lot of information over here and controls as well. This particular one is your RGB lighting. You can completely control the RGB lighting of your PC with just a touch of a button, guys. Like, how cool is that? And initial impressions, touch also works very well, guys. Didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. And here's your fan control. You can check out the fan RPM speeds and even control the speed as well from here only. And this is the main highlight, guys, screensaver section. You can literally set like lots of screensavers over here. By default, you're getting 3 screensavers from MSI. All of these look very good on the display. Apart from all these, it's also capable of displaying the current weather, or you can even set like the current clock to be displayed in both analog or digital style. And lastly, you can even set it to display your CPU temperature as well, guys. Fully customizable, as I've told you. Display quality is nice. Brightness is also pretty good. Colors were nice, but contrast level were a bit less. I would have loved to see an OLED panel over here, but hey, this is like the first step towards innovation, right? Maybe we'll get to see that in MSI's next generation case. And that is not it, guys. MSI has also sent us a monitor as well. It's their new Optics Series 27 inches 1440p 240Hz refresh rate monitor. And you know what? It's like a complete setup. I'll just quickly connect it to my PC and show you how this brand new MSI 2023 setup looks like. And by the way, model of the monitor is from their Optics Series Mag 274 QRX edition. And as I've told you, it's like a 1440p 27-inch monitor that features a rapid IPS panel with up to 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. And talking about the performance, well, this sort of configuration is not something new for us. We recently built a similar sort of all AMD system featuring their Ryzen 7000 series in combination with their Radeon 6000 series GPU. Now, to give you a rough idea, it's a quite powerful system and is very well capable of handling both gaming and creative sort of applications. So talking about the gaming, right, the PC can handle 1440p high frame rate gaming like Muska, guys, no matter what sort of titles you throw at it. That to the recent newest games. I have tested a couple of games like Spider-Man Miles Morales, and I played it at 1440p resolution, maximum ultra graphics, and as you can see, on an average we were getting around like 120 to 130 FPS in this game. By enabling FSR 2.0, you can get even better results. And not only that, I've also played God of War as well at similar sort of settings, 1440p resolution, maximum ultra graphics, and we're getting around like 95 to 100 FPS on an average. So this is the sort of performance you can expect over here. And finally, coming to the price, I know you people are like eagerly excited to know the price of that new case from MSI, the Meg series Prospect 700R. So this particular case, as I've told you, is like available at Vishal Peripherals or Vishal Computech and costs around like 30,500 rupees in the Indian market. And talking about the total budget for this entire MSI Gaming PC setup, that will cost you somewhere around like 2.2 lakh rupees, including the monitor as well. So that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to check out something exclusive on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel for more such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.